Hey folks, Jeff here with My Tennessee Home Solution. I'm here in Coffee County in Manchester, Tennessee at this home right behind me where we buy homes just as is. We pay cash and make it quick, simple, and easy on sellers when they're ready to move on to their next phase in life. And so this home needs a lot of TLC, but that's something that we're glad to do. We'll bring it in some love, add a little bit of new life to this property, bring it back to just being in great condition, and we'll find a new family to call it home. And so if you have a home that's like this, it's seen some better days, a lot of deferred maintenance, and it's just something that you don't want to take on yourself, give us a call. We'd be glad to come out, take a look, and make you a fair cash offer, buy the home as is, and make it quick, simple, and easy for you. We look forward to talking to you soon.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.